How's the hearse doing? Oh.
Typical Len.
Let's get her in the shot, see if she runs better.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
What?
I decided to pull the headlight switch, and she turned on. And there's taillights. Don't mind the carburetor fire. She hasn't ran in a while. Looks like she's doing a burnout, but that's just smoke.
Running like a top.
So it runs. We're gonna try brakes, and if brakes go good, we're driving this thing tonight and burning oil. Chop chop, Len. I got a curfew.
I'm working on it.